2018 Buick Encore review. The Encore is quieter and much more feature-packed than similarly sized competitors. Like other subcompact crossover SUVs, the 2018 Buick Encore's core appeal is its maneuverability and fuel efficiency. But the Encore can also be a bit more upscale versus the norm. It has more standard and optional features, and its particular interior is quieter at highway speeds. The Encore's performance, however, remains to be a little disappointing. The Encore is related to your Chevrolet Trax, and both have a base 138 horsepower turbocharged engine. Acceleration is slow, and real-world fuel economy is underwhelming. Buick gives a more powerful 153 horsepower engine upgrade, however it is not a positive change. Additionally, you'll typically pay more to obtain an Encore compared similarly sized rivals. From our standpoint, the Encore's appeal largely is dependent upon what you desire. If you like its size and the combination of premium features, it's likely an ideal pick. But you also need to look at the Mazda CX-3, which can be just as nice and less pricey to boot. Additionally, the Encore's prices are pretty around what you'll pay money for a roomier crossover, for example the Chevrolet Equinox and Honda CR-V. Overall, a number of test drives of competitors, but when you're looking for just a nimble, relatively upscale subcompact crossover SUV, the 2018 Buick Encore certainly has some charm of the entrance. What's new? The 2018 Buick Encore carries over unchanged. The Encore's base trim level is appealing effortlessly at standard equipment, but upgrading on the Essence trim level. It offers heated seats, a heated tire, leather seating, a couple of extra safety items and the stronger 153 horsepower engine. The standard 1.4-litre engine is on power. If you want for getting this subcompact opting a hurry, the increase in power is essential. Trim levels and features. The 2018 Buick Encore is really a compact crossover SUV offered in 6 trim levels: 1SV, Preferred, Sport Touring, Preferred 2, Essence and Premium. Less expensive Encores come standard having a turbocharged 1.4-litre 4-cylinder engine, 138 horsepower, 148 lb-ft, a 6-speed automatic transmission and front-wheel drive. From the Sport Touring trim level on up, there's a more robust 1.4-litre engine, 153 horsepower, 177 lb-ft available. Every trim form base 1SV can be available with all-wheel drive for an option. For essentially the most part, the bottom 1SV and Preferred trim levels are equipped similarly. On both, you receive 18-inch alloy wheels, automatic headlights, LED running lights, keyless ignition and entry, heated mirrors, roof rails, rear privacy glass, air conditioning, cruise control, an electric driver's seat, a fold-flat front passenger seat and 6,040 split folding rear seats. Technology features include OnStar communications with 4G LTE as well as an in-car Wi-Fi hotspot, a rear-view camera, Bluetooth connectivity, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and also a 6-speaker subwoofer with satellite radio and 2 USB ports. Also included is Buick's IntelliLink electronics interface, which features an 8-inch touchscreen and smartphone app integration. On the Preferred, moreover, you may get floor mats along with a cargo cover. Stepping up for the Sport Touring model means incorporating fog lights, a rear spoiler and remote start towards the base model's features. Options such as a 7-speaker Bose sound system as well as a blind spot monitoring system. The Preferred 2 adds dual-zone automatic climate control, an auto-dimming rear-view mirror, a 120-volt household-style power outlet, as well as the blind spot monitoring and rear cross-traffic alert systems. Moving around essence adds LED headlights, leather upholstery, a 6-way power passenger seat with manual recline and power lumbar, heated front seats, a heated controls and driver seat memory settings. Finally, the top-off-the-line premium trim adds back and front parking sensors, a forward collision warning system, a lane departure warning system, automatic wipers as well as the 7-speaker Bose speakers. The preferred 2, Essence and Premium are provided with the Experience Buick package, which adds 18-inch chromed alloy wheels, a sunroof along with a navigation system. The latter 2 items can be purchased separately on all but the bottom model. Trim tested. Each vehicle typically will come in multiple versions which might be fundamentally similar. The S within this review depend on our cumulative experience together with the current generation Buick Encore Turbo 1.4 litres inline 4, 6-speed automatic, FWD. Driving. The Buick Encore does well as being a city commuter car. It's nimble in traffic and gets from a stoplight quickly. But passing power is lacking for stress-free highway acceleration and passing. Handling is a lot from sporty. Comfort. The Encore is fairly comfortable. It's quiet traveling, that's one of its best features, along with the ride quality is relaxed without getting wallowy. Interior. Though it's small, the Encore has a good amount of space for front passengers. Adults will fit into the rear with no trouble. Build and materials quality are stored on par of other vehicles within the class, even so the Encore's cabin does look dated due to its numerous dashboard buttons. Utility. Behind the back seats, the Encore has 18.8 cubic feet of cargo space available. With the trunk seats folded, that number goes around 48.3 cubes. That's sufficient for a moderate load of groceries. Most compact crossovers fare best. Technology. The infotainment technique is easy to learn, and coupled with OnStar, gives a robust group of features. Android Auto and Apple CarPlay are standard, along with Wi-Fi hotspot connectivity. Only the premium trim turns into a full suite of active security features, but some can be purchased on the lower trim levels.